Have you ever wondered why some people stay calm even when their world is falling apart? Why they don't chase, don't beg, and don't lose their peace when everything seems to go against them? It's not because they don't feel pain. It's because they've mastered detachment. Before we dive in, if you're someone who's walking the path of strength, wisdom, and self-mastery, make sure you subscribe to the Stoic guidance. Because here, we don't just talk philosophy, we build warriors of peace. Now, let's begin. There's a moment in every person's life when they realize control is an illusion. You can't control people's loyalty. You can't control outcomes. You can't even control tomorrow. And yet, we keep trying. We cling to what's already slipping away. That's where suffering begins. But the Stoics, men like Marcus Aurelius, Epictetus, and Seneca, taught something revolutionary. True strength is not in holding on, it's in letting go. Because detachment doesn't mean you stop caring. It means you stop bleeding for things you can't control. Imagine this. You lose something precious, maybe a relationship, an opportunity, or even your reputation. Your mind starts to scream, "Why me? How could this happen?" But the Stoic man breathes. He watches the chaos inside him, like a storm he refuses to step into. He understands, the pain is real, but my reaction is a choice. He whispers to himself, "This too shall pass." And that's the moment he becomes unshakable. Epictetus once said, "You suffer not because of what happens to you, but because of how you think about it." Detachment, then, is not coldness. It's clarity. It's the ability to see things as they are, not as your emotions paint them to be. It's realizing that every loss, every betrayal, every failure is just part of the training that builds your soul. When you stop trying to control the uncontrollable, when you stop expecting the world to move in your favor, you find something the average man never will: peace. Detachment is a superpower because it frees you from invisible chains. It breaks your dependence on validation, attention, and approval. You no longer need people to understand you. You no longer need outcomes to go your way, because your strength is rooted inside you, not outside. Marcus Aurelius ruled the Roman Empire, yet he wrote in his journal like a humble student of life. Every night he reminded himself, "Soon you will be ashes and bones." Why? Because remembering the temporary nature of everything kills the ego. It teaches you that no argument, no insult, no failure truly matters in the grand scheme. All that matters is how you carry yourself through it. And that's what detachment gives you: the power to remain still in a world addicted to chaos. When people insult you, smile. When they ignore you, stay centered. When they walk away, let them go. Because what leaves you was never meant to stay, and what's meant for you will find you, even if you stand still. You see, detachment doesn't make you heartless, it makes you fearless. It gives you the ability to love deeply without losing yourself, to care genuinely without being controlled, to give everything but remain whole. The moment you stop chasing people, they notice. The moment you stop reacting, they wonder. And the moment you stop needing them, you win. Because power belongs to the one who needs nothing. In that stillness, in that silence, you become dangerous. Not because you hurt others, but because nothing can hurt you anymore. Seneca wrote, "He who is brave is free, and the bravest act of all is to let go of what doesn't serve your peace. Detach from the noise, detach from ego, detach from the need to prove, and you'll realize the world starts to bend towards you because you no longer chase it." Remember this: peace is not found when life gets easier. It's found when you get stronger. When you stop asking, "Why is this happening to me?" and start saying, "What is this trying to teach me?" That shift is the beginning of power. So if you want to become unshakable, detach. Not from love, but from attachment. Not from life, but from the illusion of control. And you'll discover what real freedom feels like. Because when nothing owns you, nothing can break you. Soft outro music fades in. If this message resonated with you, don't forget to subscribe and share this with someone who needs peace more than power. Stay strong, stay grounded, and remember, detachment isn't escape, it's elevation. This is the Stoic Guidance.